All right, next we will do number 28 on page 354. Now we're going to get into a much more complicated example. Here we have a pretty good-sized function, y cubed plus 2x squared y minus 8y equals x cubed plus 19, and we want to find the equation of the tangent line at this given value of x equals 2. So one of the things that we can do is actually find where this function is at when x equals 1. In other words, we actually want to find the value of y when x equals 2. So we're going to do that first, then we will find the implicit derivative. So this is 6.4.28. The function y cubed plus 2x squared y minus 8y equals x cubed plus 19, x equals 2. So to find y when x equals 2, y cubed plus 2 times 2 squared y minus 8y equals 2 cubed plus 19. Y cubed plus 2 times 2 squared is 2 cubed, so that's plus 8y minus 8y equals 8 plus 19. Well, the 8y minus 8y cancels out, and we get y cubed equals 27, cubed root of both sides, and y equals 3. So now we have the point 2, 3, and we can find the implicit derivative. Here's where the fun really begins. D by dx of y cubed plus 2x squared y minus 8y equals d by dx of x cubed plus 19. Anytime we take the derivative with respect to x, when it contains y, we will have a dy dx. So this is 3y squared dy dx. Next term, this is the product rule. 2x squared dy by dx plus 4xy. So this term right here, the 2x squared dy dx plus 4xy, that is what we get from taking the derivative with respect to x of 2x squared y. Next, the derivative of minus 8y with respect to x, that'll be negative 8 dy dx. Next, the right side, this is much nicer. This one is just going to be 3x squared. All right, now sometimes my math app will say at this point plug in your x and y's, but I like staying in the habit of actually algebraically determining dy dx before plugging in my x's and my y's. So I'm going to isolate dy dx. So dy dx will be, dy dx times 3y squared plus 2x squared minus 8 will equal 3x squared minus 4xy. Here I have combined the three terms that contained the dy dx, and I've factored the dy dx out, and then I've subtracted 4xy from both sides. This means dy dx will equal 3x squared minus 4xy over 3y squared plus 2x squared minus 8. Now I'm ready to plug in my x and my y. 3 times x squared minus 4 times x times y over 3 times y squared plus 2 times x squared minus 8. Plugging all this into a calculator. making sure that I did not make some sort of error. I'm looking over my work and my notes. All right. This is equivalent to negative 4/9. That's the slope. And then 2/3 is the point. This time I'm going to work slightly differently to get the equation. I'm going to use y equals mx plus b, plug in my x, y, and m. The y value is 3. Slope is negative 4/9. X is 2. And this gives me a little linear equation to solve. 3 equals negative 8/9 plus b. 3 is really 27/9. So 27/9 plus 8/9 will equal b. 27 plus 8 is 35, so 35/9 will equal b. And we finally get the equation. Y equals negative 4/9 x plus 35/9.